water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe sa ating channel, pahit na lang ng subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. Personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Pakisearch na lang siya sa Facebook. Let's start. This is for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. You do have the Ten of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Tower. One more card. Okay, dalawa yung lumabas. The Ace of Pentacles and the Eight of Pentacles. Okay. So, sa nakikita natin dito, water sign, maaring, I can see you being this person with the Queen of Pentacles and the Ten of Pentacles. You could be someone na very successful. You could be someone na, maraming finances or maraming pera. Yung iba sasabihin na hindi, wala. Hindi mo lang alam. Kumbaga, kung ikukumpara mo sa buhay mo noon, ikukumpara mo sa mga tao sa mga kakilala mo, majority sa kanila ay hindi kayang abutin kung ano yung meron ka ngayon. Okay, pwedeng sabihin natin ganun. And then you are the Queen of Pentacles. You are stable. You are someone na, relax lang. Parang ganun. Kasi, you are the Queen. You have everything na kailangan mo. Pero maaaring bigla itong nawala with the Tower for you. Or may biglang natapos. No? And I can feel na kung natapos man ito, nakakita naman ako agad-agad ng new beginning with the Ace of Pentacles. Diba? The Ace of Pentacles is here. So, maybe this is a new beginning regarding sa iyong career, regarding sa iyong work, ayan, sa iyong business for some of you. Eight of Pentacles, nakakita ko dito ng pagre-reach out. Someone here might reach out para mangyari itong new beginning na ito and bubuuin ulit kung ano man yung mga nawala, kung ano man yung mga natapos sa buhay mo. We do have here the High Priestess. So, for what I can see here, this is you. You look so pretty. Diba? Parang malakas yung yung ang tawag dito, spiritual knowledge mo. And marami kang na-attract na tao. And water sign, I can see, for some of you may mga kontrata na mapipirmahan. So, high chance nga of a new job, new career dito. Okay? And new beginnings for you. Pagdating sa love, ano ang messages for water sign? Pagdating sa love, ano ang messages for water sign? You do have here the Page of Wands, Ace of Wands, and the... Wala na pala. Kukuha pa ako. Ayan. Ito pala. Tama. Meron nga. Nine of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, and the Judgment. For some of you dealing with your soulmate, yung soulmate energy, nakikitaan natin ng paghahabol. Hindi man paghahabol na napapansin mo siya or magpapapansin siya sa'yo, magpapakita siya sa'yo or what. Pero nandyan pa rin siya. Parang hindi pa rin siya nawawala. Yung anino niya nandyan pa rin. Hindi pa rin ito basta-basta mawawala sa buhay mo. Maybe you are hiding or hindi ka nagpaparamdam or vice versa. Pwedeng siya yon. pero sumusunod pa rin or sinusundan ka pa rin itong taong to, nagfa-follow pa rin siya sa'yo, naka-subscribe pa rin siya, nakatingin pa rin siya sa social media mo. And yung iba sa inyo, yung soulmate energy na yon is still there. Kaya nga, lagi mo pa rin naiisip, ito ay dahil hindi ka pa rin niya tinatantanan ng pag-iisip. You know? For some of you who are in a relationship, I can see a new beginning here. I can see communication with the Page of Wands, magandang communication and everything. Maybe new beginning sa inyong relasyon, connection, whatever, or may mga kanya-kanya kayong mga new beginnings ngayon. Nine of Pentacles for some of you. If you're single, I can see you being successful. One day, marirealize mo, I am successful. Wala man akong love life, pero I am successful. I do have what it takes, no? Para masabing I'm successful. With the Nine of Pentacles. Nakikita natin na maybe may mga nag-end na hindi magandang relationship sa'yo, but it doesn't mean hindi mo kayang ma-achieve or ma-accomplish yung success na yan na ma-achieve mo. Ngayon, yung iba successful na, may mararating pa. Hindi lang yan dyan. Okay. Nine of Cups is here. For what I can see here, napapalibutan ka ngayon ng mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. So, whether you are single, whether you are in a relationship, or whether ikaw ay dealing with your soulmate, nakikita natin na okay lang ang buhay mo ngayon dahil sa mga tao, sa tulong ng mga taong nasa paligid mo. Okay? I can see a lot of happiness there. What will happen in the near future for you? Ano naghihintay sa near future mo? Water sign. Ano ang naghihintay for you in the near future? Water sign. In the near future for you, water sign. Bottom of the deck, you do have here the Death card. I mean, not all endings ay masakit. But, yung iba, yung endings ay parang kailangan lang to have a new beginning na mas better for you. Page of Swords is here. We do have here the Eight of Wands. You do have here the Sun. The Sun. And the Ace of Cups. In the near future. Using ko lang ang camera. By the way, medyo malapit masyado yung aking camera. Pagpasensyahan mo na, ito lang yung available kong phone holder ngayon. So, medyo malapit siya sa table. There's this Ace of Cups. This is new love. New beginning na makakapagpasaya sa'yo in the near future. Whatever it is, nakikita natin na magiging masaya ka. In the near future, nakikita natin na may mga bagay or sitwasyon, mga taong matatanggap ka kung ano ka ng buong buo with the Sun, and they are very happy to accept kung ano man yung kaya mong ibigay. This, I don't know if this is a person, yung some of you, this is new love, new person. Yung iba, maybe a new friend or maybe a new career na merong friendships and new people na willing kang tanggapin kung ano yung meron ka. And I can feel like with the Eight of Wands, magtutuloy-tuloy yan. You know, the number 8, it's like pag pinagtagilid mo yan, it's an infinity. No, it's an infinity card. Ay, infinity sign. So, ibig sabihin, magtutuloy-tuloy, continuous. Kung ano man itong happiness na ito at new beginnings na ito para sa'yo, ay magiging masaya at magiging tuloy-tuloy. Kung ito ay may kinalaman sa love, maaaring magtuloy-tuloy na rin yan. Diba? Kung yung iba sa inyo, if you're single, kailangan lang pala maging successful ka muna bago mo matutunan or makuha yung love na tama para sa'yo. Kasi kung ikaw ay nakahanap ng love sa hindi ka pa okay na sitwasyon, maaaring napunta ka doon sa maling tao. So, tama lang pala na kailangan mahalin mo muna ang sarili mo, ma-realize mo yung halaga mo bago ka mapupunta sa tamang tao. Okay? For some of you, this is coming from a younger energy with the Page of Swords. Okay, so a person na pwedeng mas bata. But this person is willing to accept you. Whoever you are, whatever you have, no? Kahit meron or wala, this person is willing to accept you. Hindi ko sinasabing love lang you're related, but sabi ko ngayong iba, friendship, etc. The Chariot is here. May mga mabibilis na mangyayari sa'yo. In the near future, I can see, sabi ko nga sa'yo kung ano yung ending, hindi lahat ng ending is pangit. Sabi ko nga mas magbe-benefit pa, lalo. And I can see in the near future this energy of surrender, pagsuko. Yan. And, parang napapanahon na natatapos na ang panahon ng pagsubok, parang ganon. And ito na yung time na kailangan ng sumuko. So may mga pagsuko na gagawin. May mga pag-amin na gagawin in the near future for you. And kung ano man yung mag-i-end, it will end for good. I can see a lot of moving on. I can see a lot of new beginnings and a lot of patience for you in the near future. Thank you for watching, guys. Sana nakarelate ka, nakuha mo yung messages sa'yo, na appreciate mo yung reading. Kung na-appreciate mo, please do comment down below. Sobrang ma-appreciate ko yan. Yung comment ninyo, kahit po heart, smileys, malaking bagay yan. Maraming salamat mo. I love you all, and bye-bye.